Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 Update error 0x80070422. First, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. This opens the Run box. Type services.mse and press Enter. The Services window will open. Scroll down and look for Windows Update. Double-click on it. In the new window, find Startup Type. Set it to Automatic. If the service status shows Stopped, click the Start button. Then click Apply and OK. Now, stay in the Services window. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click it. Set the Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Click Apply and then OK. Next, find Cryptographic Services. Double-click on it as well. Make sure the Startup Type is set to Automatic. If it is stopped, click Start. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. After enabling these services, close the Services window. Now we will run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Then click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list. Click the Run button next to it. Windows will now scan for problems and try to fix them automatically. Once the troubleshooter finishes, restart your computer. After the restart, open Settings again and go to Windows Update. Try checking for updates. In most cases, the error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.